Working on this 2024 Honda CR-V Hybrid, we're replacing its air filter, gonna save a little bit of money. If you have a 2023 or newer CR-V, this process should be more or less the same. Let's jump right into it. First thing we need to do is pop open that hood. You will find the air filter right there in the back. Now remove this foam engine covers to just give yourself a little bit more room. You'll see two Phillips screws holding the airbox cover on. Go ahead and remove those. If you feel like it, you can unplug that MAF sensor too, but you actually don't need to in this job. So with those screws removed, remove the cover by shifting it towards the driver's side of the car, then up and out of the way. Now you can see the filter, so let's pull it on out. Now it's not that bad. This car actually only has 16,000 miles on it, so I figured it wouldn't be that bad. But let's go ahead and grab the new filter. You can find this filter in the description below. And there's nothing crazy about installing this new filter. All you gotta do is line up this tab in the back left corner of that air box. If it's sitting flush, it's in right. With that new filter in, let's put the airbox cover back on. There are two little tabs you want to be aware of that scoot on into these little holes of the left side of the lower part of the box. Also make sure that the cover tube is going into the intake tube. With the cover seated down nice and flush, grab your two Phillips screws and throw those back in, tightening them down, holding down that cover. Now let's finish up the job by adding the foam engine cover. Just line up these little ball pins into the foam inserts. I have no idea what these kind of holders are called, but I just gave it a good smack. They lined up. Now that cover's back on. And that was it. Fresh new air filter for this Honda CR-V. Hey, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, do all that YouTube stuff, and thanks for watching.